Welcome back to my channel. What if one kitchen recipe could give you salon-level keratin, deep hydration, and glass-like shine, without a single chemical? Stay for my secret magic keratin mask plus 3 professional-grade DIYs, including a leave-in protein-boost hair serum that delivers keratin-like smoothness in seconds. Science snapshot. Why hair gets rough. Hair is 90% keratin, a fibrous protein. Daily blow-drying, chemical dyes, and pollution oxidize the cuticle, creating tiny gaps. Moisture escapes, frizz takes over, and strands lose elasticity. The fix? Feed hair the proteins, lipids, and vitamins it's begging for, right from your kitchen. 1. Egg and aloe deep hydration hair butter. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe gel, 1 tablespoon whipped shea butter, room temperature, soft, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon coconut cream. Egg protein repairs weak cuticles. Aloe provides deep hydration. Shea butter is rich in stearic acid and vitamins A and E, which coat and seal moisture. Coconut cream, ideal for low porosity or heat-damaged hair. Olive oil adds extra slip and shine. Use. Whip the shea butter until fluffy, then blend in aloe, egg white, coconut cream and olive oil. Apply root to tip, leave for 30 minutes, rinse with cool water. 2. New Protein-Boost Hair Serum, Leave-In Spray. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fermented rice water, overnight, 1/2 egg white, well whisked and strained. 1 teaspoon argan oil, 1 teaspoon vegetable glycerin, 3 to 4 drops lavender or rosemary essential oil. Lavender is soothing. Rosemary also supports scalp circulation. Why it works. Fermented rice peptides strengthen strands, egg white delivers natural protein, argan plus glycerin lock in shine, and a few drops of essential oil completely mask the egg smell. How to use. Shake well before each use. Lightly mist on damp hair, focusing on mid-lengths to ends. Leave in, no rinse. 3. Egg yolk plus avocado repair mask. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1/2 ripe avocado, biotin plus healthy fats, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 to 4 drops rosemary essential oil, follicle stimulant. Why it works. Avocado's biotin rebuilds the cortex while egg amino acids knit keratin fibers together, giving a naturally straighter, glossier fall. Delivers natural biotin and protein for double strength. Method: blend until velvety. Apply from roots to ends, leave 25 to 30 minutes, rinse cool. 4. Secret Magic Keratin Mask, Grand Finale. Ingredients: 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon aloe gel, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon castor oil. Why it's magic. Egg and mayo, pure protein plus natural emulsifiers equals instant keratin boost. Aloe and yogurt, deliver hydration and lactic acid for sleek cuticles. Honey and castor oil, lock in moisture and encourage growth. Application: blend until creamy, coat hair generously, cover with a warm towel for 30 minutes, rinse with cool water only. Salon-smooth hair, 0 chemicals. Pro tips for lasting results. Use a microfiber towel to reduce cuticle damage. Limit sulfates and daily heat styling. Repeat each mask once a week or rotate them for a complete protein routine. Skip the expensive salon visit. Try this egg keratin mask and let me know your transformation in the comments. Share this video with a friend who's tired of frizz and loves a natural solution. Your next hair day could be your best hair day. 4 powerful DIY treatments, 0 chemicals. Which one will you try first? Comment with a yellow heart if the secret magic mask surprised you. Thank you for watching.